All right, how do you take a screenshot on your Pixel phone? The easy and fast way is to press the lock button and volume down button simultaneously. Press them together and your screen will flash, indicating that a screenshot was taken. You'll see a little preview of the screenshot in the bottom left corner of your screen, and you can tap that to make edits and share it. You can crop it, rotate, add text, or for example, use the highlight tools to highlight a specific part of your screenshot. Up top, you'll see the Share menu. That allows you to send the screenshot to pretty much any app on your phone. Another kind of cool way to take screenshots is through the app switcher. Swipe up from the bottom and stop in the middle of your screen. Or if you're using the button navigation, tap the Recent Apps button. You'll see a screenshot button below every app here. And the difference is that doing a screenshot this way will crop the screenshot to that app perfectly. It will not show your battery level, clock, and all the other elements that are usually visible but not part of the app. And of course, one last and also easy way to take screenshots is to use the AI assistant. Press and hold the side button to activate Gemini and just say, "Take a screenshot." Your phone will take a screenshot and you can then open it in whatever app you prefer. So, that's screenshots on Pixel. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this.